What's up guys, how are you? Today I have beautiful model from Uzbekistan. She came for me actually second time and she has some problem with her shoulders, neck and lower back part. So she asking me about chiropractic adjustment. So today I'm gonna show you everything what I will do. Tell me something about yourself. What you have? Some pain when you wake up or during the day after workout?
Yes,
something?
actually it's a very good question because usually when I do fitness and after gym I have some little bit pain on my upper back and on this part, let's say, let's say this one, and especially when I have long hours duty, so that's a pain suffering me sometimes.
Okay. Do you like to wear heels?
Yes, I do. Yes, due to my work, I wear heels.
Yeah, that's why maybe you have some stiffness in your lower back part, I guess. So let's go.
Let's go.
Do it. Okay, please lay down first on your stomach, face down, please.
Okay, face down. Okay.
Beautiful hair, huh?
Thank you.
Is it comfort for you?
Perfect.
Tell me if something wrong, okay?
Sure.
You have very hard muscles over here, yeah? Can you feel it?
Yes.
Let's see. Everything's good?
Oh, yes.
This one, yeah?
Oh,
I will do slowly, no worries. Just basic stretching. Okay.
That's why always my personal trainer is saying to me, you need to go to massage weekly
Yes.
after the session. Like, because muscles are getting like harder and stronger, so you need to like relax them and stretch them.
Yes.
Oh, this is the best. Oh. Oh.
Very stiff, yeah?
Giving some ticklish also.
Okay. Just try to relax. No worries. All good?
Amazing.
Okay. Okay, we'll do this from another side. Okay. Relax, please. Still alive?
Feels like reborn.
Number one.
Oh! Oh
I did this too many times. Just from the last month.
Oh. Yes. Oh, very good.
Okay. So now I want you to ask, can you turn please on the right side from you?
Right side. This way. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. So I will show you this position, the stretching. You can do this even at home. You can do this on the floor, you know,
Okay.
after your workouts.
But I need someone to do it for me, right?
No, just I will
Myself.
show you one time and Of course, you need some skills for this, but I guess it's very easy for you. Just take a deep breath. Breath out. And relax. Pain? Sorry?
Not too much, but it's okay.
Okay, one more time. Deep breath. Out. Relax.
Oh, my bones! I think they're cracked. Oh. I think I heard that sound. Okay, now on this side.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Same position.
Oh.
No worries, slowly, slowly. This side better. Okay, same deep breath. Out. Relax.
Oh.
All good?
Oh, amazing. Can't feel better.
Okay, one more time.
Okay.
Out. Relax.
Oh my god.
Number one on your back.
Okay.
Just moment.
That was perfect.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so Mike. Okay.
Wow, this is
Do
very
you
nice.
like gymnastic?
Yeah, this reminds me the stretching after gym. My PT also does the same things.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Especially this. Oh yes.
Okay. Yep.
Ow.
Just some stretching. Yeah. I'll just try to relax.
Okay. Relax.
No cracks, no worries. So
Okay.
just
Otherwise, I make myself ready.
she's very scary because it's first time for sure. Okay.
Amazing. It's the best. So good.
Okay. What about your neck?
Oh, that's.
Does it hurt?
Sometimes, especially when long hours on the phone. But after your session, I think I will forget about any problem.
Yes. Oh, no worries. Take a deep breath. Out.
Oh, very scary. Oh. Oh.
Wow. Get it. Well done.
Oh, perfect, doctor. You're like a doctor.
Yes.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Okay. Have a seat, please.
Oh, thank you. Woo, like reborn. Wow, thank you, Diva.
Not finish. One more thing.
One more thing? Okay.
Can you turn, please? Take a deep breath. Breath out.
Like my back is into two pieces broken. Oh, but so good. Feels so good.
Now you can enjoy good quality of your life.
Yes, thank you very much, doctor. I could call you a doctor. Amazing. Thank you.
Okay,
Thank you.